Let's talk about what happens when a badge meets the Constitution on a rural Florida roadside. Today we're examining body cam footage from December 8th, 2025, involving Deputy Lonnie Baker of the Calhoun County Sheriff's Office. Now I want to be clear about what we're doing here. This isn't about picking sides. This is about applying the law to the facts and letting the chips fall where they may. The Calhoun County Sheriff's Office is currently led by Sheriff Michael Bryant, who took over in January 2025. Deputy Baker serves in their patrol division, and what we're about to watch raises serious questions about Fourth Amendment protections and the boundaries of lawful police authority. I'm watching this for the first time right alongside you. We're going to break down every relevant statute and every applicable precedent together. If you want legal analysis that goes deeper than headlines, subscribe now. Because what happens next, I genuinely don't know yet. Let's find out.
Wrong.
Just replace the damn TCM
the transmission control module messed up. I just put a new one in it.
Right.
I'm just testing it out, and it's still messed up.
Okay, but you can't driving it on the side. It can't be on the road.
We just have to drive. We literally just.
But it can't be on the road. You got insurance on it?
Oh no, it's not mine.
Huh?
It's not mine. It's a guy I'm working for.
Okay. You got a license? You drive it?
I do.
You got you drive it. Okay,
yeah.
but it can't be on the road.
Okay, well, you can pull it.
Huh?
Yeah, we go. I mean, we pull it back or whatever.
We tow it.
Yeah, we just try to get the seat.
No, you're not going to tow it. I'm going to tow it. No. Who's beer?
That's
You can't do that, man.
Yes, I can. I can take his ass to jail. What are you talking about? I can't do it.
That ain't my shit. Take my breath all day long.
What are you talking? What do you?
The vehicle is 5449.
What do you mean I can't do it? Take your hands out your pocket. Take your hands out your fucking pocket, okay? Come here. I'm telling you, put your hands on the car. Put your hands on. You know what?
Get your phone out.
Hey, you. I'm record. Hey, put your hands on the car. I'm telling you, put your hands on the car.
Okay, I ain't got nothing. Chill.
Okay.
Just chill.
I'm just saying,
Just chill. All I'm doing is working on my car.
Okay,
man.
put your hands on the hood of the car. I'm just making sure. I'm just saying.
Be advised that there is a relay no.
Yeah, can we just
No. Stand right there. You
have to be. It ain't even mine.
No, you want to talk shit though.
No, I don't want to talk shit.
Yes, you do.
I'm bound down. It's all you. It's all you. That's all you. That's all you. We just working on it, man.
8 Calhoun.
I mean, that's all.
Hold it. Stand over here.
That's all.
Hey, come here. Stand right there. Stand right there. Stand right over there. $8 to $20, can you be in route? My 1020?
Beautiful, I'm in route.
Who's trying to give somebody a hard time? I'm trying to give somebody a hard time. No, I'm not trying to give nobody a hard time. You can't have a legal vehicle on the roadway. Yeah, you can't. Whose car is it? Whose car is it? No, you wasn't. You can get the video. You can get the video. Everything you said, okay. You welcome to the video I got. It's all video. I mean, let's see if the tag comes back. Hey, step right here. Step right here. I'm telling you, step right here and keep your hands out your pocket, okay?
I ain't got nothing you want.
No, I don't. No.
So I don't consent to search procedure.
What? I'm not gonna say what? Okay, I'm gonna stand right here. I'll stand right here. I got another deputy to be here in like 15 minutes, okay?
I'm not resisting.
I know you're not. Because
I'm complying.
Okay, all right. What's your name? You not gonna give it to me?
Am I being detained?
Yes, I handcuff. Okay, you wanna be? I'll tow the car and I take you to jail for something. I'll find something to take you to. What's your name?
Why am I going to jail?
I'll find something.
I haven't did anything.
You got a legal car here. Yes, you do.
I wasn't driving.
Huh?
So it's on.
Okay, so wait till he get here. You going to jail? Okay, I'll take you to jail. I'm gonna take you to jail. Okay, you wanna play hardball? Tonight you've been.
I haven't did anything.
Okay.
I haven't did anything. So you're just making up something.
You can call it what you want to. You going to jail as soon as he gets here. Cause you wanna run that yapper.
Get my drummer cable.
Hey, wait, you got your phone? Hey, you got your phone with you?
Hey, no, don't. Look, I'm gonna put you in my car. You want to sit in my car? You want to sit in my car? So be quiet. I'm telling you to be quiet. I'm telling you to be quiet.
Is that lawful order?
Huh? Yes, that's lawful order.
I haven't did anything. I'm doing nothing nefarious.
Okay, so right out of the gate, I need to address what just happened here. We have a group of men working on a disabled vehicle, and Deputy Baker immediately escalates this into a confrontation. Now, let me be clear about the law. Florida Statute 316.605 does require vehicles on public roadways to display valid registration plates. That's real. But here's where this goes sideways. The moment this man exercises his First Amendment right to question the deputy's authority, watch the reaction. You want to run that yapper, and suddenly we're talking about jail? This is textbook chilling of protected speech. In City of Houston v. Hill, the Supreme Court held in 1987 that the First Amendment protects a significant amount of verbal criticism directed at police officers. What I'm seeing here is a tone that suggests any pushback equals criminal conduct. The deputy threatens jail for talking, and that should concern every single one of us. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause for arrest. Running your yapper is not a crime in the state of Florida or anywhere else in this country. This interaction is already off the constitutional rails, and we're barely 2 minutes in.
Now let's see. You want to run that yapper now? Okay, you can run that yapper.
I mean, just because there's another deputy here, that
Okay, that's okay.
I mean, I haven't did anything.
No. I asked you what your name was. You're not gonna give me your name.
I haven't did anything.
Okay, all right.
Do you suspect me of a crime?
Yes, I do.
Well, what?
I do.
What?
Stand right there. Keep it. Put your hands so I can see them. Okay.
My hands right here.
Okay. Put your hands on. Okay.
What do you suspect me of?
Hey, will you watch it? You know his name.
What crime do you suspect me of committing? I haven't did anything.
Okay. You won't give us your name? Okay, that's good.
I haven't did anything.
Okay. You just stand right there then. Okay.
So, who's tripping? Body camera on?
I'm towing the car. So I'm towing the car. Got a tow truck on the way.
For what reason?
And guess what? There's no tag on it. There's no tag on it.
We was in the process.
Make no difference. It can't be on the road. It can't be on the roadway.
So we had to go get the battery. Get somebody jumping the fuck off. That's it.
We was in the process of towing it.
They got them beer in that damn thing. It's not even ours. You can test both our breath. Shit.
Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, I'm just saying. I get a tow truck. I'll tow it. Hey, Kyle, send me the next rotation, 1070. Next rotation, tow truck, 10-4.
10-4-10-26.
It's no tag, it's not registered. Copy of Florida, copy of VIN number.
26, go ahead.
10-4, it's 1, G Golf, Y Yankee, E Echo, 637 4802 00453.
That came back to a 2008 white Cadillac registered to Margie Lynn Swearingen out of Flintstone, Florida. Detail expired 10/31/25. Registration canceled. Insurance information is not on file. 5449.
Here it is. Here's the tag. Ain't that something?
Hey, it's expired.
That's 12/25. Look, that's the end of the month. That's the going to go to the end of the month.
Hey, it's expired. That ain't the tag for the. That's not the tag for the car.
Why it ain't?
Because I just ran it. That ain't the tag. Since you know,
What they say,
that ain't the tag. That ain't the tag for it. That's not the tag for it. I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm towing it. I'm towing it.
I'm not.
I'm on the call. I'll have to call you right back. I'm on the call. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Hey Siri, call dispatch.
Calling dispatch CCSO.
Hey, what's that tag number assigned to it? What is it?
The tag number
Uh-huh.
is 201 RTM.
What is it?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't hear it. Say it again.
20. Hey, it's 201 Romeo Tango Mike.
Okay, 201 RTM.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And now we get to the identification refusal. This is where I need everybody to understand something critical about Florida law. Florida is not a stop and identify state. There is no general obligation for a citizen to provide their name to law enforcement absent a lawful detention based on reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Under Heibel v. 6th Judicial District Court, decided by the Supreme Court in 2004, states can compel identification only during a valid Terry stop. But here's the question. What crime does Deputy Baker have reasonable, articulable suspicion these men committed? Helping someone with a broken down car? Now the towing. Florida Statute 715.07 governs towing procedures. And yes, an unregistered vehicle on a public roadway can be towed. But watch what happens. They're literally calling dispatch to verify the registration, and the tag information comes back. The vehicle has a tag assigned to it, 201 Romeo Tango Mike. So the deputy's justification that there's no tag just collapsed in real time on his own body camera. This is where procedural justice matters. You cannot threaten to tow a vehicle, claim it's unregistered, and then have your own dispatch confirm registration information exists. That's not law enforcement. That's looking for a reason after you've already made a decision.
Registration's been canceled as well.
Okay.
Possible pod file hit.
Okay. Who's the tow truck? You know?
It's affordable.
Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Do you have a cross street?
What's the cross street? Can you pull my GPS and give me the cross street? I don't know what the closest one. I'm trying to.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. My GPS is acting weird.
Okay, let me go to this. Let me see that.
Is this it? There, I see him. Okay.
You got me. You got me and Cutchins here.
Ooh. It's close. It's closer to Northwest Circle Lane.
Yep. Yeah, that's it. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
All right, gotcha. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Bye. Yes, sir. The driver, the one was driving. Where's it? The one that was driving it. Let's see. Yes, sir. You was driving it. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Robert Lett.
What's first name?
Robert.
Okay. Robert.
Well, I'm gonna need badge number.
Okay, you get my badge number. Yeah, I'm on the black guy at the sheriff department. That'd be easy to get. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Okay,
Robert what?
Lett.
Okay, I don't care about your normal name. You can get my name. Everybody in Calhoun County. Okay, good then. All right then. Well, that don't faze me none. What's your middle name?
Middle name? What you name? My middle? It's Gillette. Last name's Gillette.
Spell it.
Goulet.
G
Goulet.
Glulot.
Goulet.
Gou.
Let.
Let. What's your middle name?
A W.
For what?
Lonnie, it's Wayne.
Oh, okay, that's what I don't know your middle name.
I understand that. You don't need all that to look me up.
Yes, I do. I'm asking your name. You the driver? I mean, what's your date of birth?
Nobody was driving. It was.
Look here. Am I talking to? Am I talking to you?
It was.
Am I? Step up here. I'm not. Can I step up here? Step up here and talk to me. I don't
have to see you separated from people. Just
okay.
a number.
De-escalate.
No. Guess what? The first name, I'm not talking to you.
De-escalate. Calm down.
Guess what? Can you? You don't know what that means. You don't know what that means. You don't know that. You don't. No, you don't.
Believe it.
No. What's your date of birth?
2593.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you, sir.
All right, that's it. $8 to 20. You can 1066. You can cancel. I've got 10 here.
There's a copy.
Hey, Cal, what's my case number?
72500160447. Again, 2500160447.
Tell her, thank you, ma'am.
Anytime, sir.
Fuck. How do I get that on there? Where is the
30 is 10-7. 10 more, sir.
Yeah, we good though. I was gonna have you to walk the dog. I mean, we good.
Did you catch that? The man in the black shirt tells Deputy Baker to de-escalate, and the deputy's response is essentially, "You don't know what that means." Actually, he does know what it means, and more importantly, so should every trained law enforcement officer in America. Now here's what concerns me about the identification demand we just witnessed. Deputy Baker is collecting names, middle names, dates of birth, like he's conducting a criminal investigation. But under what legal authority? The Fifth Amendment protects against compelled self-incrimination, and while providing your name isn't typically considered testimonial for Fifth Amendment purposes, the broader question remains, is this a consensual encounter or a detention? Because if it's consensual, these men can walk away at any time. If it's a detention, Deputy Baker needs reasonable, articulable suspicion of a specific crime. What I'm seeing is a deputy who hasn't articulated any crime, but is demanding information as if he has full investigative authority. The Supreme Court in Florida v. Bostic made clear that the test for whether an encounter is consensual is whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave. When a deputy is demanding your middle name, your date of birth, and separating you from your companions, that's not a consensual encounter anymore.
Good though, they just running their mouth stuff, but we good though. We good. Okay, but thank you though. Yeah. Thank you. That's the only car. Camera. Only car. That's 28. what was that tag number 2? What? Hey Siri, call dispatch. Hey Siri, call dispatch. Hey Siri, call dispatch. Hey Siri, call dispatch.
Hello. Please hold a moment. Dispatch.
Hey, what would you say that tag number was again? What's that tag number again? One more time.
The tag number again?
Uh-huh. I lost it.
All right, hold on real quick. 201.
201.
Romeo, Tango, Mike.
RT 201. 201. 201. It didn't even save it. 201 RTM. Okay, 201.
Expired vehicle registration.
No, I got a, what you call, I got a,
White Cadillac. Utility.
I got another one for, I got a guy's name, run it for me.
Guy's name?
Robert Wayne Goulet. Robert Wayne, Goulet.
You know his birthday?
Huh? Birthday 9/25/93. Photos, let's see, camera, let's see what I got. Registration, what's the registration, right? I took a picture of it. What's the registration? Camera. Huh?
What he needs?
Oh, nothing, you got his name and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, text it to me, his 20-something information, his address and all, text it to me. Okay, thank you, bye.
Now watch what's happening with the radio traffic. Deputy Baker is running names and requesting tag information after already committing to tow the vehicle. This is backwards policing, and it reveals something critical about how this entire encounter has been conducted. What we're witnessing is post hoc justification. The deputy made enforcement decisions first and is now gathering information to support those decisions. That's not how constitutional policing works. You investigate, then you act. You don't act, then scramble to find legal cover. And notice the communication breakdown here. He's asking dispatch to repeat information multiple times. He's losing data. He's texting tag numbers because his own system isn't capturing it properly. This is chaos masquerading as procedure. Here's why this matters legally. If this situation escalated to an arrest or civil rights lawsuit, the documentation trail Deputy Baker is creating right now would be scrutinized heavily. Courts look at whether officers followed established protocols and whether their actions were reasonable at the time they made them, not whether they could construct a justification afterward. The Graham v. Connor standard requires reasonableness judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. What I'm seeing is an officer who hasn't established reasonable suspicion yet keeps demanding compliance as if he has.
Are we still being detained?
No, y'all can go. I'm towing the car. Y'all can go. Bye. Y'all can go.
Well, hook the strap up.
Hook the strap up to what? No, not the car. The car being towed.
Let me get your badge over there. Blonde?
What?
Let me get your badge number, partner.
Oh, well, we don't have a badge number.
You don't got badge number.
Yeah, look at my, look at that. Do you see, that's my badge. You see a number on that?
Y'all got to have some kind of
Come on. You know my name? You know my name? I ain't trying to put, we don't, ain't no, you know my name, that's all you need. That's all, we don't have no badge number. Marie.
There it is. We don't have badge numbers. Let that sink in for a moment. A law enforcement officer in the state of Florida just told a citizen that he has no identifying number beyond his name. That's not how accountability works in American policing. Now here's what you need to understand about the towing decision we just watched finalize. Under South Dakota v. Opperman from 1976, the Supreme Court established that police may impound vehicles as part of their community caretaking function, but that doctrine has limits. The impoundment must serve a legitimate governmental interest, like protecting the vehicle from theft or vandalism, or removing a traffic hazard. Was this disabled vehicle blocking traffic? No. Were these men abandoning it? Absolutely not. They were actively working to repair it. The community caretaking exception doesn't authorize punitive towing because an officer got frustrated during an encounter he escalated. And I want to note something about Sheriff Michael Bryant's administration at Calhoun County. He took office in January 2025, emphasizing professionalism and community engagement. Deputy Baker remains on patrol as of today, with no public disciplinary action from this incident. That tells you something about internal accountability when officers conduct themselves this way on camera. The badge number question matters because citizens have a right to identify officers for complaint purposes. Deflecting that request is obstruction of the very accountability the badge represents.
Last name. Hey, guy. Hey, you ain't got to talk to him. It's not his car.
I can talk to anybody.
No, you can't. Hey, tow it. No, it ain't. No, he's towing the car. Look here. No, we're not. You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave.
This is my vehicle. No, I'm working on.
It's not yours. He's towing it. His car.
He's towing it to my house.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. No,
Yes,
he's
he
not.
is.
Hey, sir. Hey, it's going to impound. It's going to impound. I call Terry. Hey, sir. It's going to impound. It's going to y'all. He. Okay. No. It's going. Yep. It's going. Yep.
Fuck him. Fuck you.
He's something else, lady. He told he's going. It's not going to. I told it's going to the 2 yard.
You didn't see the busted meth pipe laying out there?
He said it was what? What they do?
They're laying out there in the wood line, busted.
Okay, well we can't. I mean, that's.
I know you can't charge with that.
Right, but. Huh?
No, they took the keys to it.
Hey, let them keep charging for that. You can charge for all that. Hey.
I can put a lock on it.
Huh?
Yeah.
I can put a lock on it. I won't have to drag it.
Do whatever you got to do. Charge him. Guess what? I mean, it's all because that's he won't
drag it up there. That's fine.
Okay.
Drag it.
Okay. I mean, whatever you got to do and charge him for it. You can. I mean, it's not their car. They can't come get it. This lady's got to come get it. When I give you the name, she got to come get it. She's out of Orange.
They got in their tag or nothing.
You know, it's out of Orange Beach. It's out of Orange Beach.
Oh,
so guess what? Y'all will probably end up with it. You know what I'm talking about? So that's what he's worried about. That's why he's mad. He wants to talk to this place. I told him no. Come on.
I understand like I told him. Y'all got control of this situation.
You're right. Yeah. So it's your car. It's you towing it.
Let me get the VIN and all that.
Okay.
Should have pulled him over and gave him tickets for riding in bed.
So we've now watched the entire aftermath unfold. The tow truck arrives, and this situation that never needed to escalate beyond a simple conversation about a disabled vehicle has now become an impoundment. And Deputy Baker is still talking about meth pipes in the wood line that apparently can't result in charges. He's still making comments about tickets he should have written. The vindictiveness is palpable. Let me bring this entire encounter back to what it teaches us about the intersection of constitutional rights and law enforcement discretion. The Fourth Amendment protects citizens from unreasonable seizures. A vehicle is property. Seizing that property through impoundment requires either statutory authority or legitimate community caretaking justification. What we witnessed over the course of this footage was neither. This was punitive enforcement dressed up in procedural language. The First Amendment protects the right to question government authority. Under City of Houston v. Hill, the Supreme Court made clear that the freedom to verbally oppose or challenge police action is one of the principal characteristics by which we distinguish a free nation from a police state. Deputy Baker's threats to jail someone for talking crosses that constitutional line every single time. But here's where I want to push beyond the legal technicalities, because law alone doesn't capture what happened on this roadside. What we witnessed was a failure of professional judgment. These men were not committing crimes. They were helping someone with car trouble. The vehicle had registration. It was being towed to a private residence for repair. Every element of this encounter should have ended with a brief conversation and a departure. Instead, we got escalation. We got threats of incarceration. We got dismissive responses to de-escalation requests. We got an impoundment that serves no public safety purpose and costs a citizen money to retrieve their own property. This is why legal literacy matters for everyone, on both sides of the badge. Officers need to understand that their discretion is bounded by the Constitution. They cannot threaten arrest for protected speech. They cannot demand identification without reasonable suspicion. They cannot impound vehicles punitively because an encounter went sideways. And citizens need to understand their rights, not so they can escalate confrontations, but so they can protect themselves legally and document violations when they occur. Knowing that Florida is not a stop and identify state matters. Knowing that verbal criticism of police is protected speech matters. Knowing that you can record public officials performing public duties matters. The men in this video were not perfect. Nobody is perfect under stress when facing threats of incarceration. But imperfect speech is still protected speech. Frustrated tones don't forfeit Fourth Amendment rights. Sheriff Bryant's administration needs to reckon with what this footage shows about Deputy Baker's approach to community policing. The absence of public disciplinary action sends a message about what conduct is tolerated. That message travels through every patrol division and into every citizen encounter. This is not about destroying a career. This is about accountability, creating better outcomes for everyone. Officers who operate within constitutional boundaries build community trust. Officers who escalate and threaten erode it. So here's my challenge for everyone watching. Learn the law that governs these encounters. Read Terry v. Ohio. Read City of Houston v. Hill. Read Graham v. Connor. These aren't just case names for law students. They're the rules that determine when the government can and cannot restrict your liberty. And if you're in law enforcement, watch this footage and ask yourself honestly whether this is the standard you want representing your profession. Because the badge means something, and encounters like this one diminish that meaning for every officer who does the job with professionalism and constitutional fidelity. Tell me your name and where you're watching from down in the comments. I want to know what you took away from this analysis and whether footage like this changes how you think about the balance of power in citizen police encounters. We learn from each other when we engage with these issues seriously. Stay informed, stay engaged, and remember that rights you don't know about are rights you cannot protect.